Hello students, we the maths teachers welcome you back to the e-learning program. Let us recall what was learned in the previous video. We learned like and unlike decimals, equivalent decimals, and converting unlike decimals to like decimals. Today we will learn about comparing and ordering of decimals, addition and subtraction of like decimals. Comparing of decimals. To compare decimal numbers, we convert unlike into like decimals. Then we compare their whole parts and decimal parts with the help of the rules. Compare the whole number parts. The decimal number having greater whole number part is greater. Rule 2. If the whole number parts are equal, then compare the 10th digits. The decimal number having greater 10th digit is greater. Rule 3. If the whole number parts and also the 10th digits are equal, then compare the 100th digits. The decimal number having greater 100th digit is greater. Let us compare 0.402 and 0.420. These are like decimals. In these numbers, the whole parts are same. Now, compare the decimal part. In tens place, we have 4 and 4 in both the decimal numbers are same. Compare hundreds place, 0 and 2. They are different. Here, 0 is lesser than 2. So, 0.402 is less than 0.420. Consider another example. 0.312 and 0.032. These are like decimals. Compare the whole part. That is 0 and 0 are same. Now compare tenths place. That is 3 and 0 are different. That is 3 and 0 are different. Here 3 is greater than 0, hence 0.312 is greater than 0.032. Let us take one more example. Compare 0.05 and 0.050. These are unlike decimals. First, convert into like decimals. Unlike decimals can be converted into like decimals by placing zeros at extreme right of the decimal part. Now compare whole part. That is 0 and 0 are same. Move on to the tens place. Again 0 and 0 are same. Next move on to the hundreds place. 5 and 5 are same. Next move on to the thousands place. 0 and 0 are same. Therefore, 0.05 is equal to 0.050. Ordering of decimals. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order. 5.3, 4.43, 5.03 and 5.35. These are unlike decimals. We convert into like decimals. We compare whole part. 4 is the smallest digit in ones place. So, 4.43 occupies first place. Compare tens place. 0 is the smallest. So, 5.03 occupies the second place. Move on to the hundreds place. 0 is smaller than 5. So, 5.30 is lesser than 5.35. So, 5.30 occupies third place. So, in ascending order, 4.43, 5.03, 5.30 and 5.35. Let us take another example. 9.30, 10.25, 9.04 and 9.34 all these are like decimals. Arrange the following decimals in descending order. Compare the whole numbers. So, 10.25 is the greatest decimal number. Then compare the remaining decimal numbers. 9 is same in whole part. Now compare tens place. Again 3 is same. See hundreds place. So 9.34 occupies second place. Then 9.30 occupies third place. Therefore, in descending order, 10.25, 9.34, 9.30 and 9.04. Addition of like decimals. To add the decimals, we follow these steps. Step 1. Convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. Step 2. Write the addends one below the other such that decimal points of all the addends are in the same column. Step 3. Add the numbers the same way as you add whole numbers. Step 4. Put the decimal point in the sum directly below the decimal points in the addends. Let us take an example. 6.59 plus 0.72. Start by adding hundreds place. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 in the sum place, 1 carry on. Next, 5 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 13. 3 in the sum place and 1 carry on. 6 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 7. Hence, 6.59 plus 0.72 is equal to 7.31. Let us take another example. 7.078 plus 3.449. Now, 8 plus 9 is 17 thousandths. 7 in the sum place and 1 carry on. 1 hundredths plus 7 hundredths plus 4 hundredths is equal to 12 hundredths. 2 remains, 1 carry on. 0 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 7 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 10. Hence, 7.078 plus 3.449 is equal to 10.527. Consider 3.84 plus 12 plus 0.5. These are unlike decimals. 12 is a whole number and can be written as 12.00, but the value remains the same. We can write 0.5 as 0.50. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 4. 8 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 3. 3 remains, 1 carry on. 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 6. Bring down 1. Hence, 3.84 plus 12 plus 0.5 is equal to 16.34. Now, let us learn subtraction of decimals. Compare and write the smaller number below the greater number such that the decimal points are exactly one below the other. Step 2. Subtract the numbers like whole numbers. Step 3. Put the decimal point in the difference directly below the decimal points in the minuend and subtrahend. Let us take an example. 5.8 minus 4.3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Hence, 5.8 minus 4.3 is equal to 1.5. Let us take another example. 8.97 minus 0.34. These are like decimals. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. and 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Hence, the difference of 8.97 and 0.34 is equal to 8.63. Consider 7.88 minus 6.5. Convert into like decimals. 6.5 can be written as 6.50. Now subtract 7.88 minus 6.50, that is equal to 1.38. Hence, the difference of 7.88 and 6.50 is 1.38. Dear students, this week home assignment will be sent in the PDF format. Until we meet again, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.